If you are living anywhere in the world, I will show you how to download and install Squad Busters in your mobile, Android or iPhone. So, first of all, you have to go to Google and search for Squad Busters available countries. So when you search this, you can see check out the list of the countries where Squad Buster game available. So we select Singapore. Let's suppose we select Singapore. Now you have to go to Play Store and install any free VPN. Let's suppose you can search for Super VPN and install this Super VPN. This is free and you can use this. Once you install this Super VPN, now select the Singapore as your countries. After selecting Singapore as your country, as I have already selected, now you can see this. I have connected Singapore as my location. Now again I will go to Play Store and search for Squad Busters and open here Squad Busters. Once I will open is, you can see this option called install. Now I can install Squad Buster in my mobile phone. Same will apply on iPhone. You have to install free VPN, select your location as Singapore, and now go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Squad Busters and simply install this game. So this is a very quick and easy method to install and download Squad Busters in your Android phone or iPhone.